Hello everyone. Now in our fluid mechanics and hydraulics, today we are going to see our next chapter, total pressure and center of pressure. So in our fluid mechanics and hydraulics, our most important chapter, third chapter is total pressure and center of pressure. So in this chapter, the container included in this chapter is total pressure and center of pressure, total pressure force on horizontal plane surface, total pressure and center of pressure on a vertically immersed surface, total pressure and center of pressure on inclined plane immersed in liquid, total pressure on curved surface, moment of inertia of some important geometric shape. Some example, highlights, exercise, multi-choice question, and last is G2 exam paper solution. So first of all, what is total pressure and what is center of pressure? Total pressure is defined as the force exerted by a static fluid on a surface, either plane or a curve. When the fluid comes in contact with the surface, this force always act normal to the surface. ठीक है. Total pressure, the definition क्या है? It is defined as the force exerted by a static fluid on a surface, either plane or a curve, when fluid come in contact with the surface. This force always normal to the surface. सपोज कोई कंटेनर है, कंटेनर के अंदर पानी भरा है, ठीक है. जो कंटेनर है उसकी सरफेस शायद प्लेन होगी या कर्व होगी. एट द टाइम जब लिक्विड फिल होगा, एट द टाइम कंटेनर की जो सरफेस होगी कर्व या प्लेन सरफेस, तो उस पर जब सरफेस पे लिक्विड कांटेक्ट होके जो सरफेस पे फोर्स एक्ट होगा, सो इट इज कॉल्ड टोटल प्रेशर. ठीक है. सो दिस फोर्स इज ऑलवेज नॉर्मल टू द सरफेस. So total pressure is defined as the force exerted by static fluid, not dynamic, it is static fluid on a surface, either plane or a curve, when the fluid come in contact with the surface. This force always act normal to the surface. Here figure is given, एक rectangular container है. कंटेनर के सरफेस पे प्रेशर एक्ट हो रहा है. इट इज P1 इक्वल टू P1 इंटू A1, P2 इक्वल टू P2 इंटू A2. सो कंसिडर अ वर्टिकली इमर्स्ड सरफेस एज शोन इन फिगर. सो टोटल फोर्स प्रेशर P इक्वल टू P1 A1 प्लस P2 A2 प्लस P3 A3 अप टू N. So where P1, P2, P3 is equal to intensity of pressure on a different strip of the surface, A1, A2, A3 area of corresponding strip. So ये हुआ total pressure and center of pressure. Now sorry, it is total pressure. Center of pressure, the point at which the total pressure act on the surface immersed in a liquid is known as सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर. ठीक है जी. एक पॉइंट होगा जो पॉइंट पे टोटल प्रेशर एक्ट होगा सरफेस पे इमर्स लिक्विड के अंदर. सो इट इज नोन एज सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर. द पॉइंट एट विच द टोटल प्रेशर एक्ट ऑन अ सरफेस इमर्स इन अ लिक्विड इज नोन एज सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर. The center of pressure lies below the center of gravity of the immersed surface. Center of pressure क्या है, किस पे लाई होगा? Below the center of gravity of a immersed surface. तो ये हुआ total pressure and center of pressure. Now second topic is total pressure force on a horizontal plane surface. Total pressure force on a horizontal plane surface. So consider करना है, consider a plane surface. submerged in a static mass of a liquid and held in a horizontal position at a depth h below the free surface of the liquid is shown in figure. So here figure is given, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन सरफेस सबमर्ज इन अ लिक्विड। ये हमारे पास एक प्लेन है, प्लेन सरफेस है, वो किस में सबमर्ज है? लिक्विड के अंदर। तो हमें कंसिडर करना है, कंसिडर अ प्लेन सरफेस सबमर्ज इन अ स्टैटिक मास ऑफ अ लिक्विड एंड held in a horizontal position at a depth h। कहाँ पे हेल हो रही है? हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन सरफेस, फ्री सरफेस ऑफ लिक्विड से h डेप्थ पे, बिलो द फ्री सरफेस ऑफ द लिक्विड इज शोन इन फिगर। लेट हमें कंसिडर करना है ए इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द प्लेन सरफेस, ए इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द प्लेन सरफेस, h डेप्थ ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन सरफेस फ्रॉम द फ्री सरफेस, h is equal to depth of horizontal plane surface from the free surface, rho density of liquid. So total pressure force on a horizontal surface is pressure intensity multiplied by area of horizontal surface, pressure intensity into area of horizontal surface, P into A. So here pressure intensity equal to W into H, area of horizontal surface A, so WH into A. F equal to WA into H, W equal to rho into G. For water, density equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, W equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. So this total pressure force act vertically downward in the centroid of the plane horizontal surface. So it is the formula for total pressure force on a horizontal plane surface. Now next, total pressure and center of pressure on a vertically immersed surface. Total pressure and center of pressure on a vertically immersed surface. Most important theory. Here figure is given. So consider a plane vertical surface immersed in a liquid is shown in figure. हमें कंसिडर करना है प्लेन वर्टिकल सरफेस इमर्स हो रहा है लिक्विड के अंदर, फिगर में दिखाया गया है। G इक्वल टू सी जी ऑफ इमर्स सरफेस, P इज इक्वल टू सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर, H बार इक्वल टू डेप्थ ऑफ सी जी ऑफ इमर्स सरफेस फ्रॉम द लिक्विड सरफेस, H डॉट इज इक्वल टू डेप्थ ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर फ्रॉम द liquid surface. Let us consider a small strip of a thickness dh. हमें कंसिडर करना है स्मॉल स्ट्रिप ऑफ थिकनेस dh with b at a depth h from the free surface of liquid. So total pressure on a one strip is defined as dF, denoted by dF is equal to P into area of strip. So we have pressure P equal to rho GH into area of strip B into DH. So dF equal to rho GH into B into DH. So it is rho GH into DA. Total pressure on the surface F equal to integration of dF, F is equal to integration of dF, so integration of rho GH into dA, integration of rho GH into dA. So constant rho gh, so rho gh into integration of h into dA, so F equal to rho g a into h bar, so it is total pressure. To find center of pressure, total pressure is acting at a P at a depth h bar from the free surface of liquid. Moment of F about free surface of liquid is equal to F into h bar. So moment of force dF acting on a strip about free surface of liquid is equal to dF into h. So dF is rho gh into dA into h. So sum of moment of all such forces about a free surface of liquid is equal to integration of dF into h. So it is integration of rho gh into dA into h. So it is rho into g integration of h square into dA. But integration of h square dA is equal to moment of inertia of a surface about free liquid surface. It is I0. So sum of moment about free surface rho g into I0. So equating 2 and 3. So equation is become F into h star equal to rho g into I0. So rho g a into h bar into h star equal to rho g h into I0. So h bar is equal to I0 upon eh. Now by the parallel axis theorem of moment of inertia, I0 equal to Ig plus eh square. Parallel axis theorem of moment of inertia, I0 equal to Ig plus eh square, where Ig equal to moment of inertia of area about an axis passing through the center of gravity of the area and parallel to the free surface of liquid. So substituting Ig in equation 3, so h bar is equal to Ig plus eh square upon eh bar. So Ig upon eh bar plus h bar center of pressure. Now next is total pressure and center of pressure on an inclined plane immersed liquid. So consider a plane surface of arbitrary shape immersed in a liquid in such a way that the plane of surface make an angle theta with the free surface of a liquid is shown in figure. Inclined plane surface, inclined immersed surface. A equal to total area of inclined surface. A is equal to total area of inclined surface. H bar equal to depth of CG of inclined area from free surface. H star equal to distance of center of pressure from the free surface of liquid. Theta equal to angle made by the plane of the surface with a free liquid surface. So let the plane of the surface, if produced, meet the free liquid surface at O, then OO is the axis perpendicular to the plane of the surface. Let y bar distance of CG of the inclined surface from OO, y star distance of center of pressure from OO. Now consider a small strip of area dA at depth h from the surface and at a distance y from the axis OO. Pressure intensity on the strip is equal to P equal to rho GH. So total pressure on one strip dF equal to P into area of strip rho GH into dA. So total pressure on the whole area is equal to F is equal to integration dF is equal to integration rho GH into dA. So but from the figure, h by y is equal to h bar upon y bar equal to h star upon y star equal to sin theta. So h is equal to y sin theta. F equal to integration of rho into g into y sin theta into dA. So rho g sin theta integration y into dA. So rho g sin theta into ay bar. So F is equal to rho g a into h bar. So center of pressure h star is equal to total pressure on a one strip, dF equal to rho g h into dA. So rho g into y sin theta into dA. H equal to y sin theta, moment of the force dF about axis OO.